Hello everyone. So today we are here with a very good problem of function for JEE Advanced. We will continue to provide more problems for JEE Advanced preparation. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe our channel and share. Okay, now let's read out the question. Let f be a continuous function such that f of x minus 2f of x by 2 plus f of x by 4 equals to x square. We are supposed to find fx, and if needed, suppose f of 0 equals to k. Okay, if you want to solve it by yourself, then pause the video and try. Now, in the solution, we are going to see the very unique approach. So let's start the solution. Here, f of x minus 2 times f of x by 2 plus f of x by 4 equals to x square. Now we will substitute x to x by 2. So f of x by 2 minus 2 times f of x by 4 plus f of x by 8 equals to x by 2 squared. Now again we will substitute x to x by 4 and f of x by 4 minus twice f of x by 8 plus f of x by 16 equals to x by 4 squared. Now I will extend this series up to infinity and let's see. Now we will substitute x to the power x upon 2 to the power n minus 1. So f of x upon 2 to the power n minus 1 minus twice f of x upon 2 to the power n plus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 1 equals to x upon 2 to the power n minus 1 whole squared. Okay, and finally substituting x to x upon 2 to the power n, we get f of x upon 2 to the power n minus twice f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 1 plus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 2 equals x upon 2 to the power n whole squared. Okay, now we will add up all these terms and let's see. Now you can see that the terms are being cancelled in same manner. So after analyzing, we see that the left terms are f of x minus f of x by 2 minus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 1 plus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 2 equals to x squared. And here we see that we are getting an infinite GP. Okay, and you must know the formula for solving an infinite GP, which is a upon 1 minus r. Okay, so we get here f of x minus f of x by 2. As n is tending to infinity, so x upon 2 to the power n plus 1 will tend to 0. So minus f of 0 plus f of 0 equals to x square. And first term is a and common ratio is 1 by 4. So a upon 1 minus r. Okay, and f of 0 are cancelled. So f of x minus f of x by 2 equals to 4 by 3 x square. Okay. Now again we will continue our process and substitute x to x by 2 in our result. So here we get f of x by 2 minus f of x by 4 equals to 4 by 3 x by 2 squared. And again continuing up this series to infinity, we get x upon 2 to the power n f of x upon 2 to the power n minus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 1 equals to 4 by 3 x upon 2 to the power n squared. And again I am going to add up all these series. So we get after cancelling the terms, f of x minus f of x upon 2 to the power n plus 1, and we are taking 4 by 3x square as common, and again we get the same GP as we get above. So here it is, an infinite GP. Okay, so here also n is tending to infinity, so x upon 2 to the power n1 plus 1 will tend to 0. So here we get f of x minus f of 0 equals to 4 by 3x square, and again here first term is 1 and the common ratio is 1 by 4. So finally we get f of x minus, okay, and in the question it is already given that f of 0 equals to k. So finally we get this result, and f of x equals to 16 by 9x square plus k, which is the required answer.